A very good morning, students. Standard 7 student. Already we have started your 6th chapter of geography, that is natural regions. Within that, introduction, tundra region, taiga region, grassland region, hot desert region, then equatorial region, location and extent, climate, natural vegetation, animal life, human life. That point we have already studied with that tabular form. Okay. See student, the natural regions given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperatures found there determine the location and extent of these regions. Beside the regions mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to the location conditions. That means local conditions. They are the monsoon, Mediterranean and West European regions. While the monsoon and West European regions stand out because of specific wind blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. These are described in the table below. Now we are going to study about this table. Okay. Yes children, here it is. Location. Can you see location and areas, climates, natural vegetation, animal life and human life. Now first we will see about the monsoon region. See here, north and south of the equator between 10° to and 30° north and south parallel areas, Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa and America, etc. located in this region. Then what is the climate? See, summer temperature between 27° and 32°. Winter temperature 15 to 24°. Rainfall 250 to 2500 millimeter. Areas get rains in specific seasons from SW monsoon, that is southwest monsoon. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. Now, natural vegetation. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forest vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Banyan, peepal, teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood, cinchona, bamboo, acacia, shrub, grasses, etc. here we can found. Now the animal life. Wild animals such as tigers, lions, leopards, cheetahs, elephants, wolves, bears, monkeys, snakes, peacocks, cuckoos you can found here. Domesticated animals, cattle, goats and horses can located here. Now human life, large number of small hamlets, then considerable difference in diet and costumes. Population is mostly involved in primary occupation. Main occupation is agriculture. This is the specification of this monsoon region. Now Mediterranean region, extend between 30 to 40° parallel in the both the hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere. Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, central Chile, southwest and northeast Australia is also located. Dry summer and rainfall in winter. Mean summer temperature is 21° to 27°. Winter temperature 10° to 14°. Mean annual rainfall 500 to 1000 millimeter. It rains in winter. Thick, small and oily leaves, thick bark, examples olive, oak, chestnut. Grass in low rainfall regions, coniferous forest in mountainous region here found. Due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large numbers: goat, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. Now, seat of Greek and Roman civilization we can see here. Main occupation is agriculture, mostly fruit and flowers cultivation. Here you can see wheat and wheat products from the staple diet. Colorful costumes you can see here of the human life. The next, West European region. located in the western parts of the continents between 45 degree to 65 degree north and south parallel. Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand can located here. Now the climate, mean summer temperature is around 20 degree, mean winter temperature is around 5 degrees Celsius, mean rainfall between 500 to 2500 millimeter. Rainfall mostly in the form of cyclone associated with westerlies wind. Easterlies wind and westerlies wind already we studied in the last chapter. It rains throughout the year, climate is mild. Now the next, natural vegetation, green grasses all of the year you can found here. Trees shed their leaves in the winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses, oak, beech, maple, elm, pine, spruce, popular here. Then human life, because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large numbers. Wild animals include wolves, foxes, bears, etc. Now, human life. Industries and enthusiastic people have been mainly sailors and explorers. Use woolen clothing, have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary business, that means service sector. Mainly factories and service sector is developed in this region. At the same time, here we will see the map. See here, in this map, here you will see equatorial region, grassland region, monsoon region, hot desert region. According to that, how this region can be spot in every part of the world you will see here. Here it is, North America. It is totally covered with your green part. So green parts is stand for the equatorial region. So this area is covered with the equatorial region. And then light green color, grassland. Grassland region can be shown with this light green color region. Okay. Now here it is what? Yellow type of color, Europe you have seen here. So here it is temperate zone and continental dry zone. So this area is temperate and continental dry zone area is covered here. So you can easily understood, you can study this map at home also. Okay. So monsoon region, Mediterranean region and West European region today we have seen in this with the help of this chart. After this, as one travels from the equator to the poles, the spectrum of biodiversity narrowed down. This leads to the issue of availability of natural resources. This adversely affects human occupation. In monsoon region, agriculture allied activities from the main occupation of the people. In equatorial region, occupation like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are all based on forest produce. Taiga is a softwood forest. Therefore, lumbering is the main occupation here. In tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays. Significant differences are found in this environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of resources depend on that region's progress in science and technology. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affects the life of the people. Here is one more thing. About 25% of desert on the earth are sandy desert. Many of the desert are occupied by the rock exposure or covered by the stony waste and pebbles. Some have high hills with narrow rocky pinnacles. Desert like Ladakh in our country or Arizona in the United States of America are this type of desert. Strong winds blowing in the desert lift and deposit sand to make sandy hills or sand dunes. Some dunes can be as high as 200 meters. These hills do not remain stationary but keep moving slowly under the influence of winds. At times villages get buried under them. Okay.